Time for some Monday birthdays, and we begin with Parker Rose Lowe, turning 1 today. Very happy birthday, Parker, and this comes with love from Mama, Daddy, Grammy, and Grampy.
Parsley Abbott, she is turning 4 years old in Iola.
We've got Grady Good celebrating birthday number 5 in Parsons.
We got Caden Campbell in Parsons, turning 9.
And the party celebration continues in Parsons with Aiden Wells turning 10 on Sunday. Happy belated birthday, Aiden.
Anston Olivia Finley is in Girard, and Saturday was the birthday.
And we've got Lila Inez Ohm turning 15 in McCune. A very happy birthday to you, Lila.
Andrew Colberly turning 20 in Columbus, Kansas.
And we've got Liberty Moore celebrating birthday number 20 in Galena, and she's pictured there with her proud dad. A very happy birthday to you, Liberty.
Crystal Hawkins turning 37 in Galena, Kansas.
And we've got Scott Ford celebrating birthday number 41 with the catch of the day in Chanute.
And we got Bruce Thornton turning 58 in Thayer.
And Tony Irwin celebrating birthday number 65 in Carthage. A very happy birthday, Tony.
Christine Coran is turning 90 in Alamount, Kansas. All right.
And Romy Phillips celebrating birthday number 88 in Moundville. And Romy's birthday was on Friday, so a happy belated birthday to you, Romy.
We got Jeff York turning 61 in Lawton, Kansas.
Carol Saporito celebrating birthday number 76 in Weir.
And Jim Volligan turning 77 in Christine, Kansas.
And Mary Griffith wrapping up the list in Badger, Kansas with a birthday. And of course, if you'd like to submit us a birthday, because we'd love to see this list grow, Amber's going to tell you how you do it.
And you can just do that by sending an email to birthdays@koamtv.com or birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And why don't you head over to our website later today, if you're bored at work or something like that. Check out koamnewsnow.com, click on the mornings page, and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some excellent deals from local businesses and a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to koamnewsnow.com, click on the mornings page, and sign up for the Birthday Club today. All right.